Biru, the wise leader of the jungle. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a massive bear named Biru. Biru was not just the ruler of the jungle because of his strength but because of his kind heart and sharp mind. Everyone in the jungle respected him for his wisdom. Biru was also a master storyteller, and every evening, the animals would gather around him to listen to his amusing tales. One day, a great problem struck the jungle. The animals living by the river suddenly realized that the water was drying up. If the river dried out completely, where would they go, and how would they survive? Fear spread across the jungle, and from the largest animals to the smallest, everyone was worried and searching for a solution. That's when Biru stepped forward. He said, "To solve this problem, we must all work together. I will find out why the river is drying up, and you all must help me." The animals agreed to Biru's plan and began to work under his guidance. Following the footprints and using his keen sense of smell, Biru traced the river to its source. There, he discovered that some trees had suddenly died, and as a result, the water supply from beneath the ground had stopped flowing. Biru realized that the only way to save the river was to restore the trees. He gathered all the animals and said, "If we plant new trees quickly and water them enough, the river will flow again." Everyone worked together tirelessly. Biru himself dragged large branches to plant new trees, while the birds brought water in their tiny beaks to water the young plants. Within a few days, the river was flowing again, and the jungle returned to its peaceful state. Biru's wisdom and bravery spread like a legend throughout the jungle. The older animals learned the importance of teamwork, and the younger ones learned the value of patience and friendship. From that day on, Biru was not just a bear but a hero in the history of the jungle.